This is a delicious and versatile sauce that pairs perfectly with seafood, steak, and so much more. Today, I'm showing you how to make a large batch of Jeow Som, a traditional Lao sour dipping sauce that will last you all month long. People love its bold, spicy flavor no matter the heat level. Before we get to the video, I have some news I want to share with you all. And I think you might know, oh, Galabao's here. She wants to say hello. 1 second. Look, it's Galabao. Galabao, we're gonna open this, so you're gonna give me a couple seconds, okay? And then you come say hello. Okay, let's see. Okay. Wow. Look. It was presented to Sang's Kitchen for passing 100,000 subscribers YouTube. I never thought I would have one of these in my hand. And so I just want to talk directly to you all, the people that continuously watch my videos, that come back and want to make Lao food for their friends and family, and the allies that are truly there to learn about, you know, a different cuisine that they may not be familiar with and becoming a Lao food lover. This means the world to me, to have a community that really desires food that comes from the heart, home-cooked food that comes with stories, and I'm able to just really be my authentic self with you all. And so big thank you and lots of love your way. My gosh, what else do I say? I don't know. I'm just in awe. I'm just really thankful. Thank you, everyone. You know, receiving this award, it only helps motivate me even more to create better content, to create better videos, more Lao recipes. Being on this journey, honestly, for me, I've learned so much about Lao cuisine. It's an endless amount of knowledge that's pretty much why I want to share this passion with the world, to know that, you know, Lao food has always been enough. Lao food has always been there to feed me through the times of joy, times of sadness, and I know that is very much the same experience to a lot of the Lao diaspora around the world and to the Lao people in Laos. I hope this is like a little bright light for you all to know that, you know, it's possible. People will love your food, people will look for your food, and that, you know, if you have a passion, you can go get it, you can achieve it. Your dreams are not just dreams, they are literally possible. Just put in the work and you can do it. I never thought in a million years that I would be able to say that I am a content creator full-time, and you all have made that possible for me to just express myself and share my joy and passion for Lao food through this video. And so again, thank you so much for the love and support. I'm not gonna make this long-winded, but yeah, you're gonna see a lot more videos from me. And so please continue to comment on the videos, because I love reading your comments and even learning more from you all as well. Galabao plays a big part in my YouTube channel because she has grown up through the channel. So if you look at the long form content, you'll see clips of her as a baby Galabao to grown up Galabao. And so it's just really special for me as well to see her grow up through these videos. So come here, Galabao. Look what you got. Galabao, look, we got this. We got this together, look. Here's, Galabao just wants to say thank you, and she can't wait to eat more snacks in honor of this award. But let's just get to the recipe video. Enjoy. Let's get the ingredients ready first. We're using about 45 fresh red bird's eye chili peppers because those pack the most heat, but you can adjust the number if you prefer less spicy. For the lime juice, cut 4.5 whole limes in half, and now they're ready for squeezing. And using 30 cloves of fresh unpeeled garlic, and that's about 3 heads, you want to go ahead and slightly smash each clove and then remove the peel. For the cilantro stems, you'll need 6 tablespoons, which is usually the stems from a whole bundle of cilantro. Mince the stems finely and then set that to the side. Pick the cilantro leaves from the stems and roughly chop them, and then these will be used for garnish. Now that the ingredients are prepped, get out a deep mortar and pestle. First, crush the bird's eye chili into a rough paste. This will take some time, so be patient. Next, add the garlic and continue smashing it until it blends with the chilies. Scrape down the sides of the pestle as you go. Add the minced cilantro stems and gently smash them into the mixture until you have a coarse paste. Next, squeeze the juice from the halved limes into the sauce. Then add 1.5 cups of fish sauce. This may seem like a lot, but we're making a big batch. To balance the salty fish sauce, you want to add 7.5 tablespoons of sugar. And now finally sprinkle in some MSG for that extra umami boost. Mix everything thoroughly until the sugar is fully dissolved. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning if needed. And now you want to garnish with the chopped cilantro leaves and give it one last stir. Since the ingredients may float to the top, you want to mix it well before serving. Pour the sauce into a large measuring cup with a spout for easy transfer, and carefully fill a mason jar or any airtight container. Label the jar with Jeow Som. This sauce is often misrepresented as crack sauce, but I hope more people will call it by its traditional name, Jeow Som. It will last for at least a month in the fridge, and it's delicious with seafood, steak, and of course sticky rice. Now let's prepare the shrimp cocktail to serve with the sauce. First, fill a large bowl with ice water. Thinly slice a 2-inch knob of ginger and gather some fresh kaffir lime leaves. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, then add the ginger and the lime leaves. Once the water returns to a simmer, you can then add the thawed shrimp. Shrimp cooks quickly, so this is going to be about 2 minutes until it turns pink and curls. When the shrimp is done, you can go ahead and strain and immediately transfer it to the ice bath to stop the cooking process. Once cooled, drain the shrimp and plate it. Adding the ginger and lime leaves for garnish, just remind the guests not to eat them. Serve the shrimp cold with a bowl of Jeow Som on the side, perfect for a hot summer day. If you prefer a smaller batch of Jeow Som, click here for the smaller recipe version. Okay, the dip and shrimp are ready to enjoy. Look at it. Can we dip? Do a dip? Wow. Oh, it looks so good. Man, this is gonna be hit at the party. Let's go ahead and just give it a try. It's that automatic zing from the sauce. It's so umami, packed with spice and fragrance from the herbs. Probably want to make more shrimp because it's gonna go by really fast. Please subscribe so you'll be notified about my next recipe video, and I'll catch you all later on Zhang's Kitchen. Bye.